Hello students, today we will discuss how to add a character counter to a tweet length. Like if you are getting the responses from your Twitter account, like you have the response here. This is response you have got from the Twitter chat. You want to get the length of the characters that are going to have from your Twitter account. Then you have the formula here, that is equal to array formula if Twitter is not equal to null, then it will give you the length of the tweets otherwise it will give you the empty character. So this is a formula to get the Twitter chat's length. This one is a formula. After applying this formula, you can also apply the conditional formatting here. Like if you want to have the characters or the tweets not more than 90, then you can apply the conditional formatting there. You can also highlight them if you're having more characters in your tweets or the less character in your tweets. This is a way how you get the characters of your tweets here, the count of the characters. Thank you.